Hello and welcome to another episode of my Metrostroi tutorial series. Today we will have a look at the 81760 as requested on my main channel where the German tutorial was. So to start, press Q to open your inventory, go to Entities, Metrostroi and choose the train spawner. Now choose the 760 or 760A and make sure that the train state is set to fully started. Press spawn. Search for a nice position, maybe not on the rails, and spawn the train. Now choose another weapon so you don't have a ghost train floating around somewhere, and enter the cabin through the door, which you can do without opening it, because opening it can be pretty complicated and we don't have to go into that now. This train is very easy to operate. To start, press 0 on your keyboard. Now, the train tries to pick up the AIS frequency and shows you the maximum speed allowed. If the train doesn't pick up the frequency, you can try to change this switch here. I recommend pressing Shift and the arrow key to the right, so you can see this panel better. Open the cover and left click this switch, which I will not do in this map because it works here. What I've seen when I tried this train the last time is that on very many maps the train doesn't pick up the frequency or randomly loses it and you get an emergency braking. There's currently no fix to that, and I hope that developers will have a look into that at some time. Now to drive, you have 8 modes. There are 4 acceleration modes, which are these ones, 1 neutral mode, and 3 braking modes. When you start the train, you are in the highest braking mode, which is T3. To operate this switch, press W or S. W is up, S is down. But when you get to this position, T1, we will notice that you can't go further. This is because there's a security lock, and to get into the neutral mode, press Shift and W. Now you can choose one of the acceleration modes. I'd recommend going with at least 2. And as you can see, the train moves. That is basically how this train works. And yes, now you can go on and have fun on your map. If you have any questions concerning this train, leave them in the comments, but when there are problems that are map related, there's nothing you can really do. There is a trick where you can get the train to move when you have no AIS on the map, but then the maximum speed is 20 kilometers, which is not ideal. But on this map it works pretty good, so yeah, have fun.